Hi, welcome back to another lesson of more pronunciation with Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel. And today's words to pronounce are 5. Here they are: circumambulate, circumambulation, discombobulate, discombobulated, and discombobulation. They are multisyllabic words, polysyllabic words. They contain many vowel sounds. Let's study them carefully. The first word is a verb and it's circumambulate. Circumambulate, it's a 5 vowel sound word. Vowel sound or syllable number 3 should be stressed. Mambulate. I repeat, circumambulate. It has got also a secondary stress, which is the first part of the word, sir, which is a little bit focalized, but not more than the primary stress, mambulate. I repeat, circumambulate. Circumambulate is a verb and it means to walk all the way around something. That's the meaning of circumambulate. The noun is circumambulation. Circumambulation is a 5-syllable word. Circumambulation. It's rather a 6-syllable word. It's a too long word. I repeat, circumambulation. Circumambulation. And the stressed syllable shifts to the penultimate one, which means just before the last syllable, lay. That's the stressed syllable. And also the secondary stress is the first part of the word. I repeat, circumambulation and circumambulation. Circumambulation. Syllable number 5 should be stressed. Circumambulate, circumambulation. Word number 3 is a verb and it is discombobulate. Discombobulate, it's also a 5-syllable word. Syllable number 3, bo, should be stressed. We say discombobulate. Discombobulate someone is to make someone confused. That's the meaning of to discombobulate, is to disconcert, to confuse someone. And the adjective is discombobulated. Being discombobulated is being confused. It's somehow a humorous word. I repeat, discombobulated. Discombobulated. The first word, the verb, the stressed syllable is syllable number 3, and also the adjective, the stressed vowel sound is syllable number 3, bo. Listen closely. Discombobulated. 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 It's a 6-syllable word. The last word is a noun and it is discombobulation. Discombobulation. This is the syllabification, the syllable division of this word. 6 vowel sounds. The penultimate vowel sound, which means the vowel sound just before the last syllable, shin, lay, should be stressed. That's to say syllable number 5, lay. Discombobulation. Discombobulation, a state of confusion. Now I practice them. Circumambulate, circumambulate, circumambulation, circumambulation, discombobulate, discombobulated, discombobulation, discombobulation. Twisty Soundy Sounds YouTube channel. Goodbye.